Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable volume control on your earbuds AirPods Pro 3. You have to start by open settings and your headphones should be connected with your phone. Then you will find your headphones line at the top. You need to tap at this line. And now scroll down, we need to find accessibility. And right here we have it. So enter into accessibility, scroll down, and right here we have volume control. Right now it's disabled and I cannot control my volume. So to enable volume control, need to tap one time at the slider if the slider have empty background. And now let me put it to my ear, and as you can see, I can increase or lower the volume for my audio or on my phone. And to disable this mode, if you don't need volume control, just tap again if the slider have colorful background. Now I put it to my ear, slide up. Oh, maybe we need to play some music. It's some kind of bug, I guess, that now we can also control the volume. Because before it doesn't work. Oh. Okay, so let's check it again. No, it still work. As you can see, just turn on this control, this mode, so maybe on your phone it will be fine. And you disable it one time and then you can disable these mods. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.